Okay, let's give this a go and see how we get on. So the kit we're looking at is this bit of stand, and it really is just a case of pushing out the various legs till they click into place and then bending them to the extent that they'll go. To open them up, you twist the cable, so twist the pole to the one side and then lock it out completely. Same with the other one, twist it forward, turn it back, and then twist it forward and turn it back. So you've got all the pole all set up, and then it's just a case of extending the legs so that it's reasonably level. This thing in the center, you just twist a little bit, and then you can rise that up to get the stand to its full height, and you just turn it back on itself and it's fine. The next bit is this kit here, which is the BLK, and really if you look around it you'll see that there is a lock and an open position. So you just turn it away from the lock position to the arrows meet up, and easily you'll take that off. You then take the BLK carefully off the stand, and it really is just a simple case of putting it on, pressing the button that's at the top of this little roundy thing here, and then it'll then click into place, or should click into place, and it's reasonably firm. The next thing you need to do is to try and get the machine working, and it's a very simple case. The button on the far side down here, wherever it is down there, will then take your machine into the running mode. So you press it once and you'll see it flashing. Wait for it to flash until it goes all green, in which case then it's working. And it takes maybe half a minute just to get going and do its stuff. It's self-orientating and checking itself. In the meantime, there we go, it's green. Then the next piece of kit we need is this, which is the iPad. Now the iPad is the only way of getting information out of this and into your main machine. It has to come from here into the iPad, and then from the iPad into the main machine. Both of them will have Recap Pro on. The version of Recap Pro on the iPad is purely for accessing and taking down the information from the BLK. Once it's in the iPad, then you link the iPad up with this cable down here, and then you link it up to Recap Pro on a main machine, and it'll suck the information up. It's easy to clean and then save as a point cloud and then push into your Revit model. So I'll leave that one as it stands. What you do need to understand is that the BLK has its own Wi-Fi, and that is how you link these two together. So when you start this, you go in and then use the code that I've sent, and then on here you'll see that there is BLK and the Recap Pro on the second screen. Press it, enter the codes that I've sent you, and this will then link up to the normal Wi-Fi. Go into settings, which you'll see on the front screen of the iPad. Press onto that and then go and put the Wi-Fi to the BLK Wi-Fi. Now the Wi-Fi on this is not that strong, so don't go wandering off with this. Keep it very close in sight of the machine, and then once you've done that, this will then act, and I'll show you on another video how the interaction is between the two.